We are at a crisis point. Global food production must increase by 70% to meet growing population demands. We have 2/3 of the world's population that are living in water-stressed countries. Critical and emerging technologies are the technologies that are going to help us solve these critical challenges. My name's Brendan Dowling. I'm the Australian Ambassador for Cyber Affairs and Critical Technology, and part of my job is to promote the way that we use technologies globally, and particularly in the Indo-Pacific region amongst ASEAN and Pacific Island countries, to say these technologies, if developed and deployed right for the region, can be a massive change in the way that we take advantage of the digital economy, but it does take us all working together to shape these technologies in a way that benefits our people. Through the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade in Australia, we support a range of programs, including the Critical Technology Cooperation Program, which helps to promote the benefits of interoperable standards across the region and ensures that we maximise the opportunities that technologies create and minimise the risks. Critical and emerging technologies are the technologies that underpin everything about how we live our lives. They're the technologies that are changing the way that we connect to the internet, that we take advantage of the global digital economy, but they're also the technologies that are leading to productivity boosts in our workplaces, that are maximising the benefits of agriculture, that are dealing with issues like climate change mitigation. We do see a lot of concern that new technologies are going to replace time-honoured traditions or are going to really undermine or jeopardise the way that people have done things in the past. Standards are a really crucial tool to help minimise those risks and maximise those benefits. We see standards in our daily lives already. Standards are helping to drive safety standards. They're ensuring that everyone across the world and across the region has access to the same standard of good technology that meets their needs while minimising those risks. The future is digital, and ASEAN nations are at the heart of the future digital economy. There are a unique cultural perspective that ASEAN nations can bring. There's a real opportunity here, but the important thing is to have a seat at the table and to be bold about the voice that ASEAN nations are expressing, so that the standards that shape our new technologies reflect the values and principles that the people of ASEAN nations expect their governments to express. By 2030, this region has the potential to be the world's 4th largest economy. The people in ASEAN nations are looking to take advantage of critical and emerging technologies at a really rapid clip. Standards can ensure that technology in this region is developed in a way that maximises the crop production, that maximises access to healthcare, to high quality education, that minimises the disruption that we see from natural disasters as we adopt better technologies to predict and mitigate those risks. CET standards are a great leveller of the playing field. If you're adopting and meeting those same consistent standards, your products and your services can be made available throughout your nation, throughout the region, and more importantly, throughout the world. So meeting those standards puts you on the same level as any nation on earth.